Why does a computer get slower over time? Many people feel like their computer was working perfectly and then suddenly became slow, but most of the time it happens gradually. The change is so subtle that it goes unnoticed until it starts getting in the way of simple everyday tasks. Small changes that keep adding up. Every program installed, file saved, and system adjustment leaves some impact behind. Individually, almost none of it stands out. The problem appears when hundreds of small changes start piling up over time and competing for the same computer resources. Even when closed, it may still be working. This is a very common situation. You close a program and assume it has stopped running completely, but many processes remain active in the background. That's why your computer can seem busy even when there's almost nothing open on the screen. Free space matters more than it seems. Many people only pay attention to storage when it's almost full, but a lack of free space can affect several system tasks. Opening programs, saving files, and even starting the computer can take longer. That's why similar machines can deliver very different levels of performance. Cache doesn't always keep helping. Cache is designed to store temporary data and speed up repeated tasks. It's like keeping frequently used items within easy reach. Most of the time, this helps a lot. However, when this data accumulates beyond what's necessary, slowdowns and unexpected behavior can start appearing in certain situations. Programs change, but hardware doesn't. There is another factor that often goes unnoticed. Over time, programs receive updates and gain new features. Meanwhile, the hardware stays exactly the same. As a result, tasks that were once considered lightweight may begin requiring more memory, processing power, and storage. What usually helps in practice? The good news is that a few simple measures can significantly improve the experience. Removing programs you no longer use, keeping a reasonable amount of free space available, and reviewing what starts with the system can already make a difference. In many cases, slowdowns don't come from a single issue, but from the combination of several small factors. Why this happens to almost everyone? As processes accumulate, free space decreases, and programs become more demanding, it starts to feel like the computer has aged. In reality, there's often no single cause responsible. It's multiple changes happening at the same time. In summary, a computer usually gets slower because it accumulates tasks, files, processes, and higher demands over years of use. What was the first sign that made you realize your computer wasn't performing like it used to?